If you're experiencing approval delays on Lyft, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Lyft regarding your application status. Sometimes, additional information or documentation may be required to move forward. Step 2. Review your documents. Ensure that all the documents you submitted are complete and accurate. Double check for any missing information or errors that could be causing the delay. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Lyft support team through the app or website. Provide them with your details and explain the situation to get specific guidance on your approval status. Step 4. Be patient. After contacting support, give them some time to respond. Approval processes can take time, and they may be handling many requests simultaneously. Step 5. Follow up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with the support team. Politely inquire about the status of your application and express your eagerness to get started. By following these steps, you can help resolve approval delays on Lyft and get back on the road. Remember to stay patient and proactive throughout the process.